Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to do to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So, I'm going to talk about what you need to do to scale your cleaning business 6 figures and beyond using federal government contracts. I'm going to give you 5 easy, digestible tips that you can make sure of if 2021, you're looking at getting started into government contracts. That's a great place. Now, even though it's crazy and lots going on, this is one of the best ways to grow your cleaning business and diversify it. And it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not something you can do overnight. It's a long-term strategy, but it's well worth it. So worth it. So I am going to talk about 5 things you can do that can actually help you scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond using federal government cleaning contracts. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're in it for the long haul. So get your mindset right. Think about why you want to do it and understand that's number 1. Number 2, know what agencies you need to sell to. Department of the Army is one of the main ones that buy our actual NICS code, which is 561720. So that's number 2. Number 3, of course, DUNS, EIN, SAMs, be registered, be ready to go. That's number 3. Number 4, make sure that you understand you cannot just find one opportunity. Look for several. Actually have several cleaning opportunities, government federal contract opportunities ready, because I'm not saying to do the proposals for all of those, but I am saying continually have a schedule. Set your alarm to look every single day, look at your clock and say, okay, I need to set my alarm so that I start to look at what is available for me today, because it changes every single day. An opportunity that wasn't there on December 25th could be there on January 7th. So make sure that you're on top of it. And the other thing is you want to make sure that you have a method for executing these proposals quickly and expeditiously. When the proposals come around, usually you might have a 2-week turnaround, sometimes a month, but it's not a lot of time. So have everything set up for what you need to do for the before the actual proposal and after. Now, I know it sounds like a lot, but if it sounds like something you need some assistance with and you really want to learn, there's 2 ways you can do that. 1, right now you can pick up the phone and give us a call at 407-595-1598. We would love to walk you through what you need to do to make sure you meet the requirements. Or if you're interested in certifications, we do state and federal, assist with state and federal certifications, and we actually do them as well. Or if you would love to actually join us for a live masterclass on everything you need to learn about how to make money in the federal government cleaning space, then make sure you click the link below to register for the masterclass. We have a complete Q&A session. We get into the get down with actionable items to go over 3 main areas. Number 1, what do you need to do to make sure that you meet the requirements? Number 2, how to market to the federal government, which is totally different than commercial. And number 3, what to do once you're first looking for the contracting opportunities and then once you find them. The actual action doesn't start once you win the contract. Actually, that's just the beginning. You've got to make sure you know everything to do to keep the contract. Why did you not run the contract? What do you need to do to register for SAMs and for all these other areas, capability statements, and so on and so forth? Well, then make sure you click the link so that you can actually come to the masterclass. And it is how to win big money in federal government cleaning contracts now, 2020 and 2021 and forward. Okay? So if you're really serious about scaling your business and you're ready to get to 6 figures and beyond, then click the link to register. I'd love to see you there. But if you're ready for something right now and you want immediate action, then make sure you give us a call, 407-595-1598, and we'll be more than happy to go through what's the requirements, the proposal process, what you need for the proposal process. And if you're interested in certs, like I said, federal or state, then make sure you give us a phone call and give us a call. And we'll look forward to speaking to you and working with you. So until next time, be safe, take care, bye-bye.